So we got video 3 here going down. I figured I'd kind of do a quick rundown on what's going to be going on. So the original plan for the IS and the front bumper, as you guys saw, had primer. I wanted to wrap it. I got the trunk wrapped, but I'm like, do I really want to spend 150 bucks on wrap just for the front and the roof when I'm probably gonna have to just change the color here soon anyways? So what I'm doing here, I took already the front lip off, got that off. I got to take the carbon piece off, taking the actual fog lights and the corners off, the quick release clips as well. So I got it sanded, washed it, letting it dry. So they kind of just sit there. Got this one torn apart, the carbon pieces below, and I just had to sand this down. But I'm probably gonna wait for this one tomorrow. This one I'm gonna focus more on the bumper and then kind of go through, because it looks like some of these holes are trying to crack open a little bit. I feel like that one's cracking a bit. This one's completely just fucked at this point. Had to use a zip tie to kind of fix this crack here. I didn't want to use the welding like I did on the bumper, but you can see there, it's coming apart. So 3 coats, all done. Not too shabby. So I got, where's the lip? Got this piece. Already sanded it down, cleaned it up, got it prepped. I got painted. So it's been about, I think, like 2 days since I painted the bumper. It's on. Not too shabby. Lips been painted. Got a few cracks in it still, but I mean, regardless, it's gonna crack at some point. Overall, though, not too bad. I mean, it kind of blends in a little bit with the body. So I'm thinking about doing the roof next, just since I got an extra can and a half. So I got all this sand down. That's coming off. The base just tape everything up. It's a little dirty, but I'm probably going to get that done here in a little bit. Boom. It's been like 3 weeks. I think 3-4 weeks. I think I painted the roof and the bumper. Everything came out pretty good. See, there's a few spots where you can kind of tell where it was right on can, but I mean, of course, if you're not really searching for it, you don't really care, then screw it, right? That's the roof. The bumper came out pretty good. Decent, I guess. But you guys probably noticed this. So, got a few things I got ordered in, and I am replacing. The main one is going to be the BBTI cam gear seal. So since I right canned it before, I had that blue, very uneven, lot of drips. Got that mostly sanded down. BBT has been sanded down, so it's all uniform all the way across. I don't have to worry about that. So basically ready to go. As you can see, that's a bit where I used the paint on the valve covers. But get this one done in the black satin. We'll see how it turns out. And then she's running. Yeah, the wheels are done too. I just don't know what happened with the front ones because I used a different primer and now they look like they're more marbleized than anything. So you kind of go from like a purple to like a pink in the rears, or just pink. There's some splatter. I think that might have been doing the color, but again, I'm not really 100% sure just yet. Overall though, it's up, it's running. Got the inside all set up. I gotta probably wash it here in a little bit because I got a lot of overspray. I think it just comes off pretty easily. It's all put back together. Spark plugs are all good. Other connectors are all good. Trying to see what else I need to end up getting for this one. There's a few little connectors here and there that I might need to go and end up getting at some point, just because they are cracked, especially the one back here for like the throttle body. That one's been giving me some issues. Doing intake, I'll probably end up doing at some point or get some new wires, clean up this whole mess out here. But I think now that everything's kind of running pretty decent, I don't have any more check engine lights other than for the automatic transmission sensors. Might as well start clearing up some of this area. So, everything put together, everything's running fine. I'm not getting a misfire on cylinder 1 anymore. I got that resolved. Got all the valve cover gaskets done, got the BBTI chem gear rebuilt for the gaskets, so all that's all set. Put it all together, saw it, I kind of did a little bit more. Like I said, this probably wasn't going to be a one thing video, it's probably just a put together of everything that I've done with it in like the past few weeks. So I kind of got all that situated and out the way, but I'm still getting a 1346, I believe is what the code is. So there's no real clip holding it in. I wonder if it loosened itself up with the vibration after a while, or if they're just short, because it does have a little bit of oil inside of it. I'll probably look into that here in a little bit. Right now I just need to pick up some brand new tires. Liter shot. Like I said, these I'm kind of just testing right now just to kind of see how they feel. But little things here and there. I mean, I've had the car for a year. I'm not really too worried about doing everything all at once like I do with the WRX. I got bored with it really quick without tearing open the engine. Overall, the car feels great though. It does feel a little bit better than how I was doing it before. It doesn't smell like it's burning any oil. The old valve covers were basically shot, or valve cover gaskets were shot. And I am driving, holding this with one hand, so it's kind of hard to really talk, but overall, not too shabby. I'm kind of happy with how the car's been. I'll probably do another video once I get this one all edited and put together. There's a lot of things I want to end up picking up, mostly for the rear end, and then I want to see if I can pick up like a secondary engine.
to kind of keep using around. Overall, you know, this is basically everything I've done with the car so far up until this point. Any questions, any concerns, if you have any input on things or recommendation for things, just let me know. I'd appreciate it in the comments. But yeah, that's a month in the life of me, I guess, just with everything going on with the car. And I'll talk to you guys later.